Stay On Satin Large Scarf Style 779. The brand says that your scarf has the highest quality, no elastic, no velcro, two-sided fabric, prevents breakage, saves your style. One side of the material is soft inside to hold the scarf in place, and the other part goes outside, is smooth and it's shiny. It will slide against your pillow. The scarf is very large, it can cover all of my hair. I fold it in half to put it on and I wake up with extra flat hair. There's many colors to choose from, like gold, black, brown, lilac, pink, burgundy. When you're wearing it, make sure you're using it on the right side and tightly enough. Sometimes I wore it wrong and that was one of the reasons it was slipping. I used to wear my Wigrip sometimes for extra protection so that my scarf stays on all night. Sometimes when I take off my scarf, I see strands of my hair on it, like it sticks to the scarf. Now the scarf looks messed up. And then I looked at the packaging and it said that it wasn't supposed to go in the washing machine, it was only supposed to be hand washed. But it was too late. What I would like to try next is a satin hair bonnet and a satin pillowcase to see what works the best for me. I saw that they have a special anti-breakage scarf as well. I never tried it. And if you want the regular scarf, read the instructions well to not get the wrong one. The special one says that the anti-breakage satin fabric is treated with a dry, non-greasy vapor pressure process. The active ingredients are released by natural body heat and the gentle action of your hair against the smooth satin material. It has to be replaced every 2 months and doesn't have to be washed so that the treatment stays, because there's an anti-breakage conditioner in it. I would like to know about your experience with Stay On Satin Scarf or bonnet. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll be glad to answer it. To see my Wigrip review, click the link in the description. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Have a wonderful day.